In today's video, I will teach you how to create an artistic QR code using AI. Let's get started. First, visit qrcode-ai and sign up for a free account if you're new. This gives you access to the dashboard where your saved QR codes and design history will be stored. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the dashboard. Here, click the Create QR Code button to begin a new project. Now we're going to choose what your QR code will link to. At the top, you'll see a short link field. When someone scans your QR code, they'll briefly land on the QR code AI shortened link, which redirects to your actual URL. Then paste your target URL. Alternatively, you can also create QR codes for email, phone number, SMS text, Wi-Fi access, PDF, app download, forms, Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, Facebook, WhatsApp, and Twitter. So simply click on the type you need and enter the required info. Now we're going to choose the style of your QR code. Here, you'll see 3 different QR code styles available: a custom QR code, image QR code, and AI artistic QR code, which is what we're focusing on. Under the custom QR code, you can pick from pre-made templates, customized shapes, markers, spacing, and colors. And under image QR code, you can upload a background image and personalize the QR body shape, marker shape, spacing, and quiet zone. And finally, for the AI artistic QR code, you can choose from 4 design themes or styles, and below you'll see a text prompt box. And here, you can describe the image or the style that you want your QR code to look like. The more specific and creative you prompt, the better the result. Now we're finally generating your artistic QR code. Once your prompt is ready, click the Generate button, and in a few seconds, your QR code will appear under My Generations. And if you're not satisfied with the design, you can change the prompt and click Generate again, or simply click Generate again with the same prompt to get new variations. On the right side of the screen, you'll also see a scannability meter that shows how easily your QR code can be scanned. Now click the version that you like best, then click Create QR Code to finalize it. And you'll finally see the shortened QR code AI link, the original URL, and a download button to save the QR code image. Now click the download button to save your QR code as a PNG or SVG. Then test the QR code using your phone's camera or a QR scanner app. And each scan is tracked in real time, so when someone scans your code, the scan count will update instantly in your dashboard. And you're done. If you find this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And if you want to see more tutorials, turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever we upload new videos.